Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel Looks by Eyeshadow. So today's video is all about beginners makeup kit. So let's start the video. So as a moisturizer, I'm using here this Mars Cosmetics Illuminati base in this shade Gold Beam. So you can never skip on primer while doing makeup. So I'm using here Inside Cosmetics primer, which is super affordable yet the results are amazing. And just to conceal my dark circles and little bit imperfections, I'm using here this orange color corrector from Inside Cosmetics and blending it with the help of Damn Beauty blender. For foundation, I'm using here this Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 220. This is a perfect match to my skin. I'm applying it like in dot motions, and with the help of Damn Beauty blender I'm blending it again. I'm using here this Inside Cosmetics little lighter shade from the wheel, and it will instantly lift my under eyes areas. And now to set my makeup, I'm using here this Lakme Absolute Compact Powder. This is the only compact you need to have in your vanity, or you can say makeup kit during this summer. For eyes, I have two options here. One is this Swiss Beauty in the shade 019 shade pan, and second one is from NY Bay. One is this purple and second one is this metallic bronze. I will use both of them today. So first of all, I'm taking this light brown shade and I'm applying it at the outer corner of my eyes. Just I'm preparing for the crease, you can say, and the pigmentation is top notch. It's amazing. Now I'm taking this NY Bay mini eyeshadow in the shade Manhattan 5, and see the pigmentation, how beautiful and gorgeous it is. I'm applying it with the help of my fingers in the middle of my eyelids. And now for eyeliner, I have two options. First one is from Blue Heaven. It's jet black. See the swatch, it's amazing. And the second one is from Mars Cosmetics Sketch Eyeliner. This is also an amazing eyeliner. So in today's video, I'll use Mars one. So I'll just draw a precise and very small wing. That's it. To give my face a little shape and structure, I'm using here this Color Essence bronzer. This is an super affordable and amazing bronzer. You will get it on Amazon. For highlighter, I'm using here this Wet n Wild Precious Petal highlighter. See, it's gorgeous, it's super subtle, there are no chunky glitters. And for blush, I'm using here this Stay Quirky blush, and I'll drop the shade name in the description box. You have to work with really soft hands with this blush because this is supremely pigmented. If you don't want to invest in all these three products, you can simply get the face palette. You will get highlighter, blush and contour in the same palette. Now for eyebrows, I'm using here this Blue Heaven eyebrow pencil. This is also very much affordable. Now for mascara, I'm using here this Mars Cosmetics mascara because I have the only one affordable mascara which is really good in quality as well. I feel that lipsticks can be personal choices and preferences for everyone, but I'm using here this Nika lipstick, mini lipstick in the shade 14. This is gorgeous and amazing. To set my makeup on place, I'm using here this beauty blender and makeup spray from Swiss Beauty itself, and then I'm dabbing it over my face. It melts all the powder effect. This make your makeup long lasting as well. Okay, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this one, and if you feel this video is informative for you, please don't forget to hit the like, subscribe and share button. We'll meet up soon with the new video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Jai Hind.